The Active Denial System, ADS, is a military technology designed to protect areas without using lethal force. It works by firing electromagnetic waves that heat the top layer of a person's skin, causing an intense burning feeling, like touching a hot surface. This effect kicks in from up to 500 meters away and forces intruders to retreat instantly. It's known as the goodbye effect. While the system doesn't usually cause burns and is considered safe in short bursts, some people worry about possible long-term effects. Supporters see it as a powerful tool for defense, but others question whether it's too risky. Should we keep building systems like this, or are they crossing a line? Let us know what you think. Cars deserve privacy too, and Ideal Park makes that possible. Their IP1CM Mob A system hides your car in plain sight with a smart underground lift. After installation, your driveway just looks like a regular paved area. But with a personal code, the platform lowers your car safely into a hidden garage below. Perfect for keeping nosy neighbors guessing, it's not only sleek but strong. The XL version can carry up to 3.5 tons. Worried about safety? Don't be. The system uses video monitoring and laser sensors. If a person or animal is detected in the area, it automatically stops to prevent accidents. It's the ideal mix of privacy, security, and smart design, turning your yard into a high-tech haven without anyone knowing. Cobalt robots are smart machines built for security and patrol work. They move on their own, using cameras and sensors to keep an eye on their surroundings. Whether it's a strange sound or unexpected light, they can quickly spot anything unusual. Once something is detected, built-in AI steps in to analyze the situation. If it looks like a real threat, the robot sends the alert to a human operator, who can even take control of the robot if needed. These robots are proving to be highly effective. In one case, they helped cut false alarms by 93%. In another, they handled over 150,000 events in just 3 months, but only 39 needed to be reviewed by a person. It's smart, fast, and helps keep places secure with fewer disruptions. Drone Dome turns the idea of privacy into something real. Developed by the Israeli company Rafael, this system protects against all kinds of drones, even tiny ones. It uses radar, jammers, and lasers to detect, track, and bring down drones in seconds. Drone Dome works in all weather conditions, covers a full 360-degree, and can be used manually, automatically, or remotely. It comes in different versions: mobile, fixed, and even for use at sea. This high-tech defense tool is already guarding airports and key locations worldwide. It's been trusted at major events like the G20 Summit and the Youth Olympic Games, proving how reliable it is when safety matters most. Some people love to proudly display their wine collection, while others prefer to keep it more private. For those who like a hidden, stylish solution, Spiral Cellars Scandinavia offers the perfect option. These compact cellars are built directly into the floor, often in kitchens, without If your office feels like a noisy hive where private chats spread like wildfire, it's time to check out the Framery 6. These smart soundproof booths give employees a quiet space to talk, whether it's with teammates or clients, without disturbing others or risking sensitive info getting out. Thanks to their special design, they cut down voice volume by 30 decibels and even use a soft wind-like noise to block sound from escaping. That means what's said inside stays inside. They're not just quiet, they're comfy too. Air gets refreshed every 62 seconds, lighting can be adjusted to your liking, and you can book a booth straight from your phone. Framery 6 is perfect for keeping conversations private. Imagine a garage door that completely blends into your home's exterior, almost like it's invisible. That's exactly what Door Systems offers. Their doors are designed to match the look of your building perfectly, without compromising privacy, style, or insulation. You can even choose a 5 centimeter thick insulated version to keep things energy efficient. Each door is custom made to fit your space and your vision. The strong aluminum frame can hold up to 250 kilograms, so you can finish it with materials like wood, glass, stone, or steel. Whether you want something modern or traditional, there's a design to suit you. One of their custom projects featured a massive door over 5.5 meters wide and nearly 3 meters tall. It's not just a door, it's a design statement. Creative Home Engineering builds amazing hidden doors that blend right into your home's design. Want a secret room? These doors are perfect for private spaces where you can talk or relax without anyone knowing. One favorite style looks just like a bookshelf. And yes, you can actually fill it with real books and decorations. You can pick from classic swinging doors or modern sliding ones. They come in manual versions or fully automatic ones that run on electricity or batteries. Once closed, the door vanishes from sight, just like in a spy movie. It's a fun, clever way to keep things private, and that's why these hidden doors are now used in homes all around the world. A secret room has never looked this good. Emu CCTV cameras are a great choice for both homes and businesses, especially in places like Germany, where privacy rules are strict. What makes them stand out is their smart privacy mode. If you don't want to be clearly seen on camera, simply raise your hand with your palm open. The camera will automatically blur everyone in the frame, keeping faces unrecognizable. Want to turn the camera back to normal? Just raise a closed fist, and it switches off privacy mode. It's that easy. This simple hand gesture system puts privacy control right into your hands. Literally. Whether you're walking past at home or at work, Emu cameras let you decide how visible you want to be, making them both secure and respectful of your privacy. A private pool should feel like your personal escape, not a show for the neighbors. That's where 3/8 and Co. comes in. They've created sleek fabric screen structures that give you instant privacy at the push of a button. Whether you're sunbathing, swimming, or hosting friends, these screens let you relax without worrying about outside eyes. Each one moves on its own and locks in place, and they're big enough to fit even the largest pool areas, up to 5 meters tall and 7.6 meters wide. Best of all, everything is custom designed to suit your space, blending in beautifully with your home's style. It's a smart, stylish way to make your outdoor area feel more like your own private resort. Meet the Proton T4, your ultimate data destruction machine. No leaks, no traces, no worries. This powerful device uses intense magnetic fields to erase data from all kinds of magnetic storage, including hard drives and tape backups. In just 60 seconds, everything on the drive is gone, forever. It's so reliable, it meets strict US Department of Defense standards. And it couldn't be easier to use. Just slide the drive in, press a button, and that's it. No tricky settings, no tech skills needed. Whether you're getting rid of sensitive business files or personal data, the Proton T4 ensures your information never falls into the wrong hands. At around $18,000, it's an investment in total peace of mind and unbeatable security. Somfy Systems Inc. makes your home smarter, safer, and more comfortable. They offer a range of modern solutions like blinds, roller shutters, and privacy screens. These aren't just for blocking out nosy neighbors. They also help control light, temperature, and privacy. What's great is how easy they are to use. You can manage everything right from your phone using their mobile app. Want your shutters to open in the morning and close at night? Just set a schedule. Prefer hands-free control? Use the remote or simply ask Alexa or Google Home to do it for you. Whether you're home or away, you stay in control with just a tap or voice command. The SpyFinder Pro is a pocket-sized device that helps you quickly find hidden cameras, whether they're analog or digital, big or tiny, on or off. It uses powerful Maxi Boost LED lights to reflect off-camera lenses, making them appear as blinking dots through the viewfinder. Just turn it on, look through the lens, and scan the room. With a 14-meter range and 3 scan levels, it works great in large offices or small hotel rooms. It's perfect for travelers wanting to check changing rooms, restrooms, Airbnbs, or cruise cabins for hidden surveillance. Lightweight, easy to use, and super reliable, it gives you peace of mind and full control of your privacy. SpyFinder Pro is available now for $148.